Hey guys, Panda Lover here, and today, I don't know if you guys can hear the theme music, or if you can even know what it means. What am I even talking about? No clue. But hey guys, my name is Panda Lover here, and today, we are playing Animal Jam. Now, I've played this a lot. I've already played this before. I don't know what's up with me and getting ahead of this game. I got a few pets, so this is my character right here. I have a little tiara. One of my friends gave this to me, but I can't wear it because it's only for members. So yeah. I don't want to give it away, but I can't wear it. Anyway, this is my character right here, and it's my little pet. I have many other pets. So this is Zippy Cheetah, aka my mouse Cream. This is Miss Fox, Purple Ninja, Water Peach, and Purple Sky. Wait, yeah, this Purple Ninja. Water Peach. Oh my goodness. Fine. I'll go to your den. I'll go to your den, Emma. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be checking out a few little places to call my home because I don't even want to show you what my own place looks like. Hey, it's pretty over here, but it's kinda over there. What is this place even? The little entrance to a cave. Anyway. Oh, there's a panda! I kinda look like the Cookies and Cream koala. The Cookies and Cream koala, but I'm supposed to be a panda koala. I didn't know the pandas in this game were so cute. Ninja. Oh, okay. Okay. The ... was right for the okay. Hello. I want to get a panda, but I can't. It's only for members. I'm going to ask my mom if I can get a member's account on this. Is that a bunny? I don't even know what that is. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at, these are her pets. These two. Right here. That's a bunny. And that's... Oh, God. This is weird looking. Please. I want to be friends. I have so many friends. I have a lot of friends. I'm assuming that she didn't accept my friend requests, but I'm gonna send this. Oh, these look like bamboos for a second. What? I wanna butt in on your conversation. I know you from school. As members. I know you from school. That's really creepy. Hi, Rock Blizz. I'm gonna go to my den. It really sucks. I haven't gone shopping yet. Besides, apparently only members can go shopping. Here we go. This is my den. Yeah. I'm gonna check out some of my buddies' dens because I haven't checked out these ones. Ooh. Okay, I got Cream with me. Checking out these dens with me. It's nice. I got my little baby. My baby boy. So you can see my face. I'm gonna sit down right here. I love little cream sitting. Come on, let's eat. Let's eat some stuff. No, we can't eat some carrots, apparently. Let's dance together. Sleep. Wait, I want to cuddle. I want to cuddle cream. Sleep. Oh, we're cuddling. Hop. Wee, 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 wee. Play. Kind of looks like I'm jumping over it. Anyway. It's already been 5 minutes. Jeez. We're only 5 minutes in, and I haven't done anything in particular. Ah, what am I doing? Stop it. It took me forever to. Oh god. Now I look like the cookies and cream koala. No matter what I have on. It's my panda koala, okay, guys? Okay, so guys, I'm going to be making a schedule of when I'm going to be uploading videos. I'm going to be uploading my videos, no clue. Because right now I'm in summer vacation mode, I've completely lost track of time whatsoever. So oh, I just fed him. It's so cute. Here, let me zoom in on this action. Look how cute this is. He looks like a little ball of cotton. Little Jake. Eat. The Candy Witch. Oh, I'm still zoomed in. Oopsie. Miss Fox. Oh, Miss Fox. Eat some food. Look at this dancing. Look at Miss Fox dancing. Dance, dance, dance. Looks like she's digging. Sleep. On camera, it looks like she's snoring out little money signs. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. Ah. Play. Look at that little. Anyway, I have no clue what the heck I'm doing. Feels like just like 5 seconds ago I started this video. Now I am going to, you guessed it, I am going to end this video right here. In the next one, I'm pretty sure we'll have more content. I'm like through the whole video. Anyway, my time is almost gonna pass, so I will see you in the next video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. My name is Panda Lover, and goodbye! I just messed up my own intro.